Marriage isn't about finding a perfect person. It's about two imperfect people choosing each other every single day. Love may start a marriage, but trust, respect, and commitment are what make it last. A strong marriage isn't built in a day. It's built every day.
This AI avatar looks completely real, speaks naturally, and took less than 60 seconds to create. And the craziest part? I didn't pay a single dollar for it. No expensive AI software. No monthly subscriptions. No camera. No microphone. Just two free AI tools and a few clicks. Take a look at this.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with digital avatar. Get started by simply typing your script.
This person isn't real. The face, the voice, the lips sync. Everything you're seeing was generated by AI. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create unlimited AI talking avatars for free using tools that anyone can access right now. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create realistic AI presenters for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, marketing videos, educational content, and much more. Let's get started. Simply come to Google and search TikTok Symphony. TikTok Symphony, also known as Symphony Creative Studio, is TikTok's official AI content creation platform. It can generate videos, dubbing, avatars, and much more, but today we're focusing on the AI avatar feature. The first step is creating your account on Symphony Creative Studio. If you already have an active TikTok account, you may be able to access this tool directly from your TikTok dashboard. Otherwise, click Get Started and sign up using your Gmail account. You will need to verify your account, so complete the setup process and log in. Once your account is successfully created, this is the dashboard you'll see. This is where all the AI avatar magic happens. You'll also find a library of demo videos that showcase the type of content you can create with the platform. As you can see, there are plenty of features available, including text to video, image to video, avatars, translation, dubbing, and remixing. For today's tutorial, we'll be using the avatar feature. Go to the left sidebar and click on Avatar Videos. Here, you'll find two avatar options: voiceover avatars and product avatars. Both are available for free, and I'll quickly show you what's possible with them. Click on voiceover avatars. This is the page you'll land on. Inside this section, you'll find two types of avatars: real human avatars and AI-generated avatars. You can also save your favorite avatars for quick access later. One of the best things about these avatars is how customizable they are. You can filter them by industry, region, language, and style. For example, if I want to create gaming content, I can simply open the filters and select gaming. Now the platform will only show gaming-related avatars. You can combine multiple filters if you want even more specific results. As you can see, there are plenty of avatar options available. And this is a sample of the quality we're getting. Get started by simply typing your script. Simply click Continue and add your script. I'm using a sample script for this demonstration. Select a voice, then click Generate. And this is the result we get.
Think you're a real gamer? Then answer this. What's the hardest boss you've ever beaten? For me, it's not the one with the most health. It's the one that made me retry for hours and still kept me coming back. Drop the name of your toughest boss in the comments, and let's see who survived the real gaming nightmares.
Did you hear that? That's the quality we can achieve using TikTok's AI avatar generator. Now let's create a complete AI avatar video from scratch. The process is very simple. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short 20 to 25-second script in any niche you want. For this example, I'm creating a motivational video. If you already have a topic in mind, simply mention it to get more targeted results. Once ChatGPT generates the script, copy it and return to TikTok Symphony. Now choose an avatar. You can select young or old, male or female, depending on the audience you're targeting. Many creators actually use senior avatars because audiences often associate them with wisdom and experience. For this example, I'll choose this avatar. Now paste your script. Next, customize the avatar. If you're using a real human avatar, you'll usually have multiple appearance options to choose from. For example, this avatar offers several different looks. Choose the one that best matches your content. If you select an AI-generated avatar, you'll typically have fewer appearance options available. Personally, I prefer AI avatars because they look more professional and their voice synchronization often feels more natural. So I'll use this one and paste in my motivational script. Now click Generate. And here are the results. Let's take a look.
The truth. The perfect moment never comes. Successful people start before they're ready, learn as they go, and keep moving forward. Every small action today is building the future version of.
As you can see, the final video looks great. It even automatically adds captions, which can help increase engagement and watch time. However, if you prefer creating your own captions in CapCut or another editing software, simply disable captions before generating the video. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to create realistic AI talking avatars completely free using TikTok Symphony. No camera, no microphone, no expensive software, and no monthly subscriptions. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, marketing campaigns, educational videos, or even your own AI influencer, you now have everything you need to get started. AI avatars are becoming more popular every day, and learning these tools now can put you ahead of most creators. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I regularly share the latest free AI tools, automation strategies, and content creation methods that can save you time and money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.